Hey guys, welcome back to American Made RC. Today we're gonna do some boating. It's a little bit different than what we've been doing. We usually like to do a little bit of racing, a little bit of rock crawling, snow plowing. That's usually our gig. But today we're gonna try out some boating. We've already taken these out for a test drive just to make sure they work and all. They're working all right, and they're working real good. So we're gonna turn these boats around. We're gonna get them out of the water for you. This is what a $300 boat compared to a $50 boat will get you. The $50 boat, they're quite fast, but you want to have a lot of fun, you got to get yourself one of these. This is the Shockwave Pro boat running on a 2S LiPo, water cooled, Dynamite 4-pole brushless motor. The little boat over here is a Helion Lagos, I don't know what you would call it. Oh, he hit some rocks and he flipped it over. I have to get that quick.
A little bit hard steering there with one hand, I guess.
Yeah.
I mean,
not a problem, but hey, that's the part of it. That's running on a 2S LiPo 1100 milliamp. It's brushed. It's fan cooled, actually. The motor is fan cooled, and they're all waterproof, which is a good thing, because if you flip the boat, there's a chance for water to get even get into the main part of it. Well, we'll get some cool shots here for you guys, and then we'll show you in depth on the inside of it. All right, I'm coming back. Okay, so watch out. We're getting splashed up here on the bridge, and we're about 4 feet up from the water. We're still getting splashed by my big boat. Ah, gosh, I love this thing. Hey guys, so this is my Pro Boat Horizon Hobby Pro Boat Shockwave. It's running on a four pole 2000 kV brushless motor, water cooled, the Dynamite water cooled ESC. It's 2S and 3S compatible. I don't know exactly what I'm running for a servo. That was the original servo in it. XT90 connector to a Traxxas connector. It's all waterproof, water sealed. Everything's water sealed. So we'll get into Michael's boat. He's going to be doing some talking about that.
all right, guys. This is the Helion Lagos, I think is the way it's pronounced.
Legos, maybe?
Legos.
Sport?
Yeah. So, yeah, this one's fan cooled here with the little fan inside, I guess, and it's brushed. And it came with a 2S LiPo for stock. That looks like this one right there. There's not much to that one. And then so we're doing a $50 boat versus $250. So Blake, what one do you think was the best at the end of the day?
This one, I like the Pro boat for the bigger waters out here. And if I was going to be running in a small lake, maybe running along my side while I'm kayaking, I would rather have the smaller boat. They both have their ups and downs. They both have, you know, their goods and their bads. And I mean, these are two great boats that it's just hard to choose from.
I'd have to agree with that because, you know, at the end of the day, it all comes down to what you enjoy.
It comes down to what you enjoy, what you have for runability, and what best fits you. That's really what happens. So, alrighty guys.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you in the next one.